This just might be the most OP deck I've played since the beginning of this game. You've got to watch this. Watch these battles real quick. If you want to build the same deck, go to the end of my video. I have the cards lined up in the deck. You are going to love it. So Crescilla EX not only does a lot of damage, every time you put an energy on her, you heal for 20 damage, so it's a very good starting Pokemon in this battle, because if it's taking hits in the beginning, every time you throw an energy on her, you're healing it. It's absolutely good. The opponent, they conceded. Look at this. They knew what was up. They knew. Oh, man, I gotta go first. Alright, whatever. Oh, sweet, I got a Togepi right here. Let's get it. Clearly, they're trying to get a Gyarados built up. Oh man, I'm so glad they didn't get a bunch of heads on that Magikarp. Okay. Now, you see here, this is actually a pretty nice setup for me. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade, or evolve. And... yeah, we're not going to attack. We're not doing damage yet. Again with the Misty. At least it's the last one they have. Let's see what they get. Oh no! Okay, we're good. We're good. And there's the Gyarados. Just as we thought. They do have a good deck. That's probably the deck that I played with the most until I got this deck built. And now I love it. I'm really confused. Yeah, let's do this. Because now I can bring him down. And I can put Togepi out there to take the kill for me. And then you'll see what I got here. I got a plan. I got a plan. I'm really looking for one card here. That was not it, but I'll take it. I will take it. I might as well throw it on and do an attack real quick. That way they might move or because everything else set up pretty good in my hand. Let's go ahead and do some damage and see what happens here. Okay, and are they scared? Oh yeah, they're scared. They're scared. They don't want to take that point yet. All right, bring your Gyarados out. Oh, you messed up so bad. That was dumb. But it's okay. All right. Let's do it. Let's bring out Togekiss. Let's do some damage. I'm so excited. I really wish I could get more than one turn with Togekiss on this game right now, just so you can see the amount of damage you can do. But look at this. Plus 50. That's so energy. So you can do 60, plus 60 on the next turn, plus 50 with the right card setup. So now their Gyarados is cooked. It's cooked. It's done. The only way it has a chance is if it takes an energy off of my benched Pokemon right now. That's the only way. This is great. Who you gonna hit? Okay. I'm not worried about that. There you go. You are in a world of hurt and you don't even know it. I wish I could use you, but it's okay. Plus 20, every energy. So every energy you add, it's more heals. And bye, Gyarados. Now who are you gonna use, huh? Who are you gonna throw out? Yeah, right. Watch this. So, Dawn, the trainer Dawn, is absolutely awesome for this setup. There's a reason why I put some damage on a Pokemon already. So, we're gonna go ahead and... Actually, it's not Dawn. Oh, I don't have the card yet. Oh, I better get it this turn. Yes, Cyrus. It's Cyrus. So that's the card I needed. So let's go ahead and yeah, Cyrus. Let's throw him out. Let's pick the Pokemon I did damage to. And that's game. That's game. I'm sorry. I got the two cards mixed up. Still a new deck for me. There it is. Alright, and if you want to build the same deck, this is what I have right now. I need some more cards to finish it. Like, I need 2 Cyruses, but this is what I got.